Alright, picture this, your phone rings. It's a potential customer. They're ready to book, they have questions, they need answers, and they need them now. You're juggling tools, you're on the road. Maybe you're even up a ladder. The question isn't just, can you answer? The question is, can you answer effectively? And more importantly, can Jobber help you answer? Because let's be real, managing communications in a field service business? It's a beast. You're not just dealing with incoming calls, you're dealing with scheduling, quoting, invoicing, following up. The list goes on. And at the heart of it all, that crucial, immediate connection with your customers. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Jobber have a built-in phone system? The answer, as with many things in the world of software, is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's unpack why this even matters. Why are we so focused on this particular feature? Well, think about your own experiences as a customer. When you call a business, what do you expect? You expect a prompt response. You expect someone who knows your history, who understands your needs, and who can provide clear, concise information. You want a seamless experience. For a field service business, that seamless experience translates to faster response times. Missed calls mean missed opportunities. A dedicated phone system or a well-integrated solution can help you answer calls quicker and reduce those frustrating voicemail back and forths. Improved customer communication. Imagine having your customer's job history, notes, and contact information right at your fingertips when you answer the phone. That's the power of integrated communication. Streamlined operations. Less time spent searching for information means more time spent on actual work, and that translates to increased efficiency and profitability. Professionalism. A professional phone system adds credibility to your business. It shows customers that you're serious about providing quality service. Now, Jobber, as many of you know, is a powerful platform designed to streamline your field service operations. It handles scheduling, invoicing, quoting, and a whole lot more. But what about that all-important phone communication? Jobber itself does not offer a standalone, built-in phone system in the traditional sense, like a dedicated VoIP service within the platform. However, that doesn't mean Jobber leaves you high and dry when it comes to phone communication. It offers robust integrations and features that help you manage your communication effectively. Let's talk about those integrations. Jobber excels at connecting with other platforms. And when it comes to phone communication, that means integrating with your existing phone systems or other communication tools. For example, Jobber's mobile app is the core of its on-the-go features. It's designed to keep you connected and informed while you're out in the field. When a customer calls, you can quickly access their information within the app, allowing you to provide personalized service. Furthermore, Jobber's customer communication features, such as automated text and email notifications, play a vital role in keeping your customers informed. These features can reduce the need for phone calls by providing proactive updates on job status, arrival times, and other important information. Think about it. Automated appointment reminders can significantly reduce no-shows, freeing up your time and preventing wasted trips. Text notifications can keep customers informed about delays or changes in schedule, minimizing frustration and improving customer satisfaction. Email confirmations and invoices provide a clear record of communication, reducing the need for follow-up phone calls. These features, while not a dedicated phone system, contribute to a more efficient and effective communication strategy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about those times when a phone call is absolutely necessary? What about those complex questions that can't be answered with a text or email? This is where your existing phone system or a third-party VoIP service comes into play. Jobber's strength lies in its ability to integrate with these tools, creating a seamless workflow. For example, you can use a VoIP service like RingCentral or Google Voice in conjunction with Jobber. By having Jobber open on your computer or mobile device, you can quickly access customer information while you're on the phone, providing a more personalized and efficient experience. Also, many businesses utilize the notes section within Jobber to log phone conversations, creating a history of communication. This is a crucial tool for maintaining accurate records and ensuring that everyone on your team is on the same page. Let's break down some practical tips for maximizing your phone communication with Jobber. Utilize Jobber's mobile app. Keep the app open and readily accessible on your phone. This will allow you to quickly access customer information during calls. Leverage automated notifications. Set up automated text and email notifications to keep customers informed and reduce the need for phone calls. Integrate with a VoIP service. If you're looking for a more robust phone solution, consider integrating Jobber with a third-party VoIP service. Document phone conversations. Use Jobber's Notes section to log important phone conversations, ensuring that everyone on your team is informed. Train your team. Ensure that your team is trained on how to use Jobber's communication features and how to handle phone calls effectively. Use quick response templates. Within Jobber, you can create quick responses for commonly asked questions, allowing you to answer customer requests faster and more efficiently. This works for email and also for text if you are using that feature. Customer portal. Direct customers to your customer portal. This allows them to see information and sometimes schedule without ever calling. In essence, Jobber empowers you to manage your phone communication strategically. While it doesn't offer a built-in phone system, its robust integrations and communication features allow you to create a seamless and efficient workflow. It's about understanding that communication isn't just about the phone. It's about the whole experience. It's about utilizing all the tools at your disposal to create a seamless, efficient, and professional interaction with your customers. The key takeaway here is flexibility. Jobber is designed to adapt to your specific needs and workflows. By understanding its capabilities and leveraging its integrations, you can create a communication strategy that works for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.